Hello, I'm Nikki from Howard's Peugeot in Dorchester. I'd like to introduce you to this Peugeot 208. This is the Tech Edition, so it does come with a lot of lovely features. You've got things like satellite navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for your mobile phone, a DAB digital radio with USB connections for MP3 players. You've also got dual zone climate control, automatic lights and wipers, and cruise control with a speed limiter. You also benefit from rear parking aids, and that does include a colour camera. Let's take a quick look around the car. Thank you for watching this video. Howards are happy to tailor your experience with us depending on your current requirements, whether that be a virtual appointment using our Howards Click and Collect service or our Howards Home Delivery, or if you would prefer, we still have the traditional appointments to come in and view and drive a car. We look forward to hearing from you shortly. Thank you very much and have a good day.